Let me introduce myself to you. I am Josephine Cruz, 44 years old, married, and I am a mother of 3 kids, aged 14 to 20 years old. I am a graduate of Bachelor in Science in Commerce, major in Accounting at the Ateneo de Davao University. I also attended the intensive caregiving course at the Philippine College of Technology. As a domestic helper, I am responsible in cleaning and keeping the house orderly and clean. I do the marketing, the cooking, and overall take charge of all other household chores.
Can you handle and take care of newborn babies?
Yes, I can take care of newly born babies because, as I have said, I have 3 kids and they have grown up excellently. I know how to bath them, feed them, sterilize the milk bottles, among others.
If the baby cries, what will you do?
Well, if the baby cries, then I will check if the diaper is wet, then I have to change it. If he is hungry, then I will have to feed the baby. And if he is not feeling well, immediately I will tell my employer.
Can you sing me a children's song?
Yes, London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my children go to school, especially that the 2 of them are already in college. Thank you.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
Yes, if luckily I will be chosen as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, I can promise my employer that I will work loyally and I will assure him or her that I will finish my contract in 2 years. Thank you.